Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the Windows language completely to your preferred language here in your laptop or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. You can also press Windows and I key together so that you would be able to open the settings. Okay, so here you need to proceed on the accounts first. Okay, and just have to wait until the accounts tab will be loaded. Once done, you need to scroll down and look for Windows Backup. Click on it. So the moment you've click on it, there you can see an option called Remember My Preferences. Just have to click this down arrow and make sure that this language preferences and dictionary is checked. Okay. Once you're done, proceed to the time and language next to accounts. And here it will show you four options. Proceed on language and region, which contains the Windows display language, preferred languages, and regional formats. Simply click on it. And here under the language, you would be able to see preferred languages. Okay, just have to click on the add a language option aligning to that. And then here you need to select your preferred language, your first language, or the language that you'd like or you understand too. Okay, so if you are a Chinese, then you can go with this and then click on next. Okay, so here under the language preferences, since the goal of this video, the main point of this video is to set the preferred languages into the windows all over the applications all throughout the settings. Just have to check this box. Okay, set as my Windows display language. Okay, and then you need to click on install. Okay, so in my case, I don't like to set the Chinese in my Windows display language because basically it is not my first language and I don't understand it. I'm just showing you how to set that specific language or the preferred language that you'd understand or that you'd like with. Just have to make sure that this box is checked and then proceed by clicking on install. So the moment you click on it, it will now starting to install the language pack. Okay. So here just have to wait until the language pack will be installed and downloaded, and you need to proceed on country or region. Just have to click this down arrow and just have to select the country that you are in with. You can go with China. So if you lived with China, then you can select it. Okay, just have to select it and wait until this basic typing, handwriting, text to speech, basic speech recognition will be downloaded in your Windows. Okay, so just have to wait until all of this will be downloaded. Once it is being downloaded, just have to restart your computer. And the moment you have relaunched it again, there you go. You would be able to set the preferred language that you'd like to here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy having your windows with your preferred language. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.